And this is why I haven't been uploading. It's literally -3 right now in Kansas. It is awful. Fighting a blizzard. It's so cold. Yeah, 10 degrees. See that? And we're in the fucking shop. Get the heater on, and I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. Yep, I bought front runners. Now, it's time to drag some ass. So what we have here is a Jegs SSR wheel. It's 17 by 4.5 with a 27.5, 4.5, 17 Hoosier. It's a body splay. Yes, I have a radial in the back. Yes, we'll see how it actually does affect everything. But I also got some coilovers. Finally, now I don't have to worry about the front. The suspension on the front kind of sucks a lot, especially when I hit a bump. So now it's the perfect time to actually get this thing in the air, put some real suspension underneath of it. Yes, it's eBay. Yes, it's budget. Who cares? As long as it does the job. So let's go ahead and get this thing in the air and get the wheels off. I am super cold, but I am really dedicated to get this thing done for you today. Like, it's 15 degrees in there, and I got the heater maxed out, which is pointing at me. So on these, you will have to do some modifications to make this work. So what I did was mark out the holes to where we're gonna need to drill out. This is where our new one's gonna be. We might have to cut it out just a little bit more, just for the camber slot, so I can move the camber back and forth, so I have 0 camber on the front, because I know for a fact I have a slight amount. So let's go ahead and get the drill out and drill out these 3 holes so I can mount the actual coilover.
Monkey.
As you guys just saw, I got it drilled out. Now I need to cut that little area out right here, so that that camber can actually slide back and forth. So now I gotta cut that out, and then we should be good. That's what it looks like it's on. I don't know what I'm actually got height-wise, but that's with the wheel on. The next thing I want to do is jack it up, jack the front end up until the control arm is all the way where it's going to bounce up and down. That way I know what the right height is actually going to be. Alright, I got it jacked up. As you guys can tell, it is off the pinch point. And this is how much wheel gap I'd actually have sitting there like that. I just noticed that. That's not gonna be good. I might have to trim the fender, I guess. Damn. I totally forgot about that stuff. Everything else look good on it though? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna rub over there. But I'm gonna lower it just a little bit to where this wheel gap is probably about 2 inches, so I need to raise it about an inch. It's a lot, and I mean a lot better. I'll say this. A, it's cold. B, that sucked. I had to drill so many holes to make it work because I don't know why I kept putting the coilover on top and drilling holes that way and not marking it from the bottom, but the bottom sucked. Anywho, it didn't. I mean, the car looks very nice. Like, that's a different look with those wheels. I really need to set the suspension up front because it is A, super stiff, and I mean stiff. Like, there is no bounce whatsoever. So I need to loosen it. I need to loosen the front end because A, I mean, that might work. It really might. Just having so much stiffness up front, so when I drop down, when I launch, it'll keep the front end up. I don't know. I need to do some research. Also, I need to get myself like a roll cage too, because I did just get this Tanaka harness and then little seatbelt harness cover thingies. I don't know. They look cool when I saw them. Yeah, I should have went race quip, but I really don't want this car. So when I put the cage in there, I just want something just different than the seatbelt. Those are gonna work just fine. But man, does that just look so freaking good now? Like, I wish I had those wheels on the back as well. I actually saw some on Facebook Market, and I should have jumped on them. They're like $700, but damn, this car just looks like a whole different new animal. If you guys like this video, drop a thumbs up. I'm sorry, I'm only posting like once a week. It is cold, and I mean cold. I would love to do a lot more content, but like I was saying, it is freezing, man. It's 1 degree outside. I think it might. Hey Google.
I can't reach the internet right now. Check your modem or router connection and try again.
She can't reach the internet? Yeah, she's just lazy because it's cold. Hopefully you guys did like this video. Drop a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are not. We're so close to 500. Come on, guys. Get me to 500. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.